The testing kit will contain the following: 1 package insert, 1 buffer solution bottle, and 20 test cassettes. Open the foil pouch and place the test cassette on a clean, flat, level surface. Dispense the blood sample into the test cassette sample well. Then immediately add 2 drops from buffer to the sample well. And start timer. Allow the test to run for 50 minutes. Read the results by viewing the detection window. Display of results are as following. First, negative result. If only the quality control line C appears and the detection lines G and M are not visible, then no novel coronavirus antibody has been detected, and the result is negative. Second, positive result, G only. If both the quality control line C and the detection line G appear, then the novel coronavirus IgG antibody has been detected, and the result is positive for the IgG antibody. Third, positive result, M only. If both the quality control line C and the detection line M appear, then the novel coronavirus IgM antibody has been detected, and the result is positive for the IgM antibody. Fourth, positive result, G and M. If the quality control line C and both detection lines G and M appear, then the novel coronavirus IgG and IgM antibodies have been detected, and the result is positive for both the IgG and IgM antibodies.